So I've usually not been too excited about certain earphones that I've gotten, but these in particular have been really tough to get my hands on. The first time they were on sale, I think they brought in about 4,800 earphones to sell on Flipkart. They sold out within 2 minutes. So I tried my best to get the second batch, which I did manage. And this is my first impressions of the Nothing Ear Ones. So keep in mind, this is a very superficial review because it's just my first impressions. I do take my time to figure earphones out and do a more in-depth review with phone call tests and so on. Be sure to come back and have a look at that if you're interested. So I've already unboxed these, but I've not yet used them, I've not yet set them up. In fact, where's my phone? I need to. So anyway, I got my phone, I'll set them up shortly. And straight out of the box, it's fairly straightforward. It's pretty neat because everything is see-through. It's sort of like every adolescent boy's dream come true, but it's really funky, it's really made well, and it's got a little indentation on the case, so it's sort of like kind of a pseudo fidget spinner. It does have a USB Type-C charging port on the side and what looks to be a sync and or reset button. The earphones themselves on the inside seem to have a marking. So the one with the red dot is obviously for the right ear, the one with the white dot is for the left ear. The design of these do remind me a lot of the Oppo Enco W51s that I've been using as my daily drivers. Maybe I should do a review of, with both of these, but we'll get to that. One odd thing is with this is like the Enco 51, it snaps in flat into the case, so it's easy to take out. Whereas with this, you can't put it in flat, it has to go in at a bit of an angle, so it might take a little while to get used to. The overall fit and finish of this is quite superb. What's neat is it's, as you would obviously know by now, it's all see-through, so you can look at the inside of this where all the connectors are and so on. A lot of effort would have gone into making these for sure. These are very impressive when it comes to the design. It's something really funky. So in the box you get the case in this, and then of course you get two separate boxes on the sides. One of course holds earplugs, small and large. It comes with mediums already on the earphones, I presume. And you open these out. Oh, dropped something. Yeah, you open these out and you've got your small and your large. And on the other side you get your cable Type-C, which is a very neat braided cable. Braided, but it seems to have a silicone coating over it. This is really neat. And on the inside you also get a little another little case, but this is with all your literature. So anyway, for the sake of a genuine first impressions video, I refrained from watching reviews and learning about earphones. So I'm just going to go off the instruction card that comes in the box. According to this, you have your double tap features, which is play and pause, your triple tap, which is the next track, tap and hold switches between noise cancellation on, transparency and noise cancellation off. So we'll check that out. You can slide on the stem for volume up and down. That's funky. In fact, the only one that had that I tested was the Oppo Enco Free, and I've always wanted a set of earphones like this in a smaller form like the W51, which was a missed opportunity by Oppo. But it looks like the Nothing folk have figured this out. It's got wireless charging, fast pairing, open Ear One case, hold it near your device for on-screen setup. That's for the Android only systems. Other devices, open your case, hold pairing button until light blinks. Okay, so let's pair it to my Android device. Bluetooth on. I've opened the case. Oh, it actually shows up. It shows up on, I've got a Samsung phone, it's actually opened up here. Nothing Ear One. Download device app on Google, see all available features. Okay, let's download the app, obviously. Let's see what happens. Ear One, pending, downloading. Oh, I don't know if my net's working. It's been giving trouble. It's downloading. Anyway, while that's going on, it's got a metal hinge at the back. That's obviously spring loaded. And also there's a metal plate here that sort of sticks to the base once you close it. I think I got these for about, were they 6,999? Maybe they may have been 6,999. The same cost as the W51 when they came out, and I have to say the fit and finish of this is quite nice. Although this is a glossy finish, so I expect it to pick up scratches in time. The case seems, I think, a little larger than the W51, but I'll leave those details for when I do a comparison of the two. Application installed. Let's see what it does. It shows you the case's battery. It shows you the earphones battery. Very neat. I'll need to get into a lot of detail because in this you can personalize your sound from the transparency to the noise cancelling, leaving it off, noise cancellation, light, maximum, equalizer. It's got an equalizer. Options are balanced, more treble, more bass for voice. This is amazing. You can customize your triple tap for your next song, previous song, leave it to do nothing, tap and hold, noise cancellation or no action for the left ear, right ear as well you can customize. There's a lot going on for a set of earphones that you get for 7,000. In-ear detection you can switch on and off, find my earbud, and oh, it gives a little chime when you put it in your ear. That must be the in-ear detection. I think that, yeah, noise cancelling is definitely on. Noise cancellation is maximum right now and I can't hear my fan or the traffic outside. I've dropped it to light. Slight amount of airiness shows up, but it's still pretty good even on light. Transparency. Oh, it's playing my voice back to me. Yeah, it plays it back pretty clearly. It's quite cool. For the sake of trials, I'm putting the noise cancelling on and let's see how it sounds. Hans Zimmer, no. Let's keep it simple. 80s rock. Hike up volume to 50%. Swipe is... oh, the swipe works really well. Does it work on both sides? Oh yeah. Swipe up and down for volume is on both sides. And it's pretty responsive. And it goes up at very decent intervals. It doesn't jump like 25, 30%. These are like 5 to 8% increments. Let me make sure that the equalizer is on flat. It doesn't look like I can customize it though. There's just more treble, more bass and voice. Yeah, there's no way I can customize the equalizer. That would make for a nice update if you do that, people at nothing. But on balanced, it does sound nice. Left and right separation is very good. Listening to vertical horizons, everything you want. Good phantom channel. It's got a nice centered vocal phantom channel. Because a lot of people like to listen to dance, so let's see how it is for dance music. It's got a nice crisp sound to it. It's not shrill, so sibilances aren't really a problem. Vocals, higher pitched sounds sound very nice, pleasant on the ear. Nice clean bass. I don't know if the W51s can keep up to this. These sound good. And I'm right now listening to music between 50 and 55% volume. I haven't felt the need to crank it up anymore just yet. Bass is good. It's got good body. I'm listening to Dancing in the Moonlight. Let me see. I'll try and link these tracks below that I've mentioned. Okay, cool. So yeah, these sound really nice. I've got a feeling the W51s I have might be replaced by these on a sound front and on a noise cancellation front, but I've not checked these out back to back. So maybe I'll leave that for a comparison video that I'll do later. Overall, apart from the design of these being superb, the overall build quality, these don't seem like they're worth just 7,000 bucks. I think these would be definitely sold for 13 to 15,000 rupees if I were asked without knowing the price. Design is fantastic. The whole see-through factor is unbelievable. The amount of work that would have gone into this. Attention to detail, if you look at it really closely, is otherworldly. These guys have put in a lot of effort to make sure these look as good as they do. On the medium ear tips, they seem very comfortable to me. I don't think I'll have to change them. The noise cancellation is really good because I live pretty close to a main road and actually this is the first time I'm shooting a video during the day, so there's a lot of traffic outside. I couldn't hear any of it with the noise cancelling on. It cuts out the fan motor completely. On a sound front, it does sound quite nice. It's very soft and gentle on the highs, so I didn't find anything very piercing. Nothing was too aggressive, at least the few songs that I've heard so far. The bass has a good amount of body. Vocals are also soft and very sweet sounding. But the details about the sound I will address in my more in-depth video because I'd like to spend a few hours, a few days actually, with these earphones before I come out with that. I will also be doing the call test for that video and a whole lot of other details which I get very particular about. So if you would like to come back and see my more in-depth review, remember to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And thank you for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice. Oh, this is too wide. Oh, that's too close. Oh. That should be fine. Yeah. Yeah, okay, let's do this.